Let's learn some colors. Orange color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, red color, alphabets. Orange color, A for apple. Yellow color, B for ball. Green color, C for cat. Sky blue color, D for dog. Red color, E for egg. Red color, F for flower. Green color, Z for grass. Yellow color, H for horse. Orange color, I for ink. Sky blue color, J for juice. Let's learn some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Yellow color, square. Orange color, circle. Sky blue color, triangle. Green color, heart. Red color, star. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for flower, Z for grass, H for horse, I for ink, J for juice. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.